Hi, welcome to How to Repair. Over the weekend a friend bought me in his hammer drill and he was complaining it was intermittent with when he was pulling the trigger. Sometimes it was starting, sometimes it was not, and he did say that he'd noticed a lot of sparks coming out of the motor at the bottom. And it's a common fault. Two major faults that can occur with these is if it's intermittent, the power lead may have broken inside the cable. This can be a problem with a lot of power tools, but on this occasion, as there is a lot of sparks coming out of the motor, it's normally the carbon brushes. So I'm quickly just going to show you how to replace the carbon brushes on this Titan drill. This is from Screwfix and it's quite a popular drill, so I thought I'd make the video for you. As you can see in the corner video here, the motor was sparking from this area. Now on this Titan drill there are two covers that protect the motor carbon brush holders, and you just need to undo the screws on each side, remove the two covers. Hidden behind here are these carbon brushes. These just need to be unscrewed anti-clockwise. And the carbon brush is in there. Just use a little hook nose screwdriver to prise it out. And as you can see, the wire has come out of the carbon brush, so that's not a good sign. And there is the old carbon brush, which you can see here, completely worn out on this side. We'll just undo the other side. Just clipping it out, exactly the same. And this one's coming out complete, but as you can see, it is burning quite heavily at the end of the tip of the carbon brush. If we compare this to a new carbon brush, you can see that this carbon brush has only got about 4 or 5 millimeter left on it, and the new carbon brush is about 1.5 centimeters, 2 centimeters long. It's a clear sign that the end of the carbon brush actually becomes a charcoal effect, and you can see the damage that it's been burning on the armature. So we're just going to replace it with our new carbon brushes. Right, when fitting the new carbon brushes, you'll notice there's two location lugs on either side. They fit into the holders at the top and the bottom. Slide the carbon brush in. Make sure it's free and moves easy in the holder, because sometimes if you've got burnt damage, you can end up with them sticking. Once you've got that in, put the cover on and then just screw it up. If you feel any resistance, it might be because the lugs aren't locating, and that just slots in like that. We'll now do the other side. Again, make sure that the carbon slides cleanly up and down in the holder. Make sure you get the location lugs in correctly. Then pop the cover on. Make sure you don't cross thread the screw, and then just do it up. Replace the carbon brush holders. Replace the other side, and there we go. A quick, simple fix, cost you less than £10 and saves you throwing away a perfectly good drill. And as I said, if you do have an intermittent drill, any type of cord drill, one of the most common problems to go wrong are the cords. They can become very metal fatigued over the course of a few years and can actually break the cable internally. But we'll just test this hammer. And there you go. I hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to subscribe. Thanks very much indeed for watching.